Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO X80 Lite to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Vivo. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Vivo, using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and copy all of those numbers. Then select Receive button and wait. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the nut and allow camera access in the pop-up. Then point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!